good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay, may I know your introduction, please?
Sure, sir. My name is Rakesh Bista, and I'm 25 years old.
Okay.
I live in Nepal.
Mm-hmm.
In my family, there are 4 members: dad, mom, me, and my little sis. And before, I used to work in Dubai in McDonald's company restaurant.
Okay.
2 years.
Okay, 2 years. You are married?
No, sir.
Single?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was your duty there in Dubai, in McDonald's?
In McDonald's, there is assembler, sir, as a kitchen.
Then?
Then I used to train them. When the newcomers when they enter. I used to train them.
Okay. How many years you are there in Dubai?
4 years, sir.
4 years. Then why do you back to Nepal?
I would like to go to Europe, so I want to earn more money. That's why.
Okay. You are vaccinated or not?
Yes, sir. Vaccinated.
Which one?
Palocil.
Berosil. Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
Because being honestly, I just want to earn more money, and then I want to work. I want to adventure, and I want to get more knowledge.
Okay. For which post you are going to apply for Romania? Do you know?
For packaging, sir.
For packaging?
Yes, sir.
Factory worker?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you will do that?
Sure, sir. No problem.
Sure. Okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
After some time, sir. Not now.
Not now.
Yeah.
Okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
There is my dad.
Okay.
Still working here in Nepal.
Okay.
And after that, it's my turn.
Do you smoke and drink?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Tell me your height and weight.
My height is 5.3, and then weight 45.
Okay. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.